Hey everyone, this is Eamon. Today I am going to show you how to make a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face. Did you know some channels make a lot of money without ever showing who's behind them? Like Alex Alex.com, Moon. It's pretty cool, right? And guess what? You can do it too. The first step is to pick a topic or niche you like and that can make good money. This could be anything like tech stuff, business, money tips, or online shopping tips. Next, we're gonna use ChatGPT to help write a video. Just ask it for ideas about a topic. Like if we pick money tips, here, I have already given ChatGPT the prompt how to earn money in 2024. You can give it the prompt according to your selected niche. Now it has given me my desired content. Next, what do we have to do is to go to a website called weed.io. First, what you need to do is to log into the website on weed.io. We are going to be using its cool feature to turn your written script into spoken words. I have clicked on text to speech option and now the content which was provided to me by ChatGPT, I will copy it and paste it in this area. Now we have to select any language which we want and you can select any female or male voice, whatever is compatible for you. Now it has given us the audio. Now we need a video to play with this audio. So I'm going to upload a file and voila, the content is here. Let's see what it plays.
If you have programming and machine learning skills, you can develop AI applications or tools. This could be in various domains like healthcare, finance, automotive, or entertainment.
Now we will add subtitles in it to make it easy for everyone to follow along. I'm clicking on the subtitle option, then we have to click on subtitles. Then you can keep the subtitles in any language. I'm choosing English and click on generate subtitles. Let's wait for it till it's done. And wow, it's done. Let's play it and see what are the results.
If you have programming and machine learning skills, you can develop AI applications or tools. This could be in various domains like healthcare, finance, automotive, or entertainment.
And yeah, that was a nice result. Now we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and ask it for some catchy and appealing YouTube title ideas. I have written suggest me some appealing YouTube title for developing AI application. It has given me many titles. Other tools to rank your YouTube channel is are vidIQ, where you can find keywords for ranking your channel on number one. And as I search artificial intelligence, it will tell me how much competition does this keyword have. It says that it has 81.15 competition and the competition is very high. Now, the other tool for creating thumbnails is Canva. Make a fun thumbnail with Canva and then put your video up on YouTube. Remember, the more videos you make, the more people will watch. Right from the start. And that's it. You're all set to start your own Faceless YouTube channel. Check the description for more details on the tools. And thanks for watching. If you got any questions, tell me in the comments below. Goodbye.